Hello everyone. Let's talk about PCOS, polycystic ovary syndrome or polycystic ovaries. PCOS is a very complex condition with long-term metabolic risk, and diet and lifestyle management are the primary treatment for polycystic ovaries. There are many adolescent girls or early 20s, 30s and late 30 women who are suffering from this PCOS. It also has an impact on the reproductive, the fertility, and also the menstrual cycles. And the basic thing is there is a problem for hormonal levels. So it is important that we reset the hormones through diet and lifestyle management. Fad diets is a definite no-no for losing the weight, because fad diets will give you nutritional deficiencies, which is definitely not going to help you in this condition. And one more thing is insulin resistance is very common. How do you make sure that the insulin that you secrete is utilized by the body? It is because again of the hormonal imbalance that is there in the body. That is why you have some symptoms like hirsutism, which is basically facial hair, or there will be hair loss or excessive body hair in some girls and women, and also irregular menstrual cycles or no menstrual cycles at all, or there would be where you would be on a treatment where you have to pop up some medicines. Only then you will again have menstrual cycles every month. So all this imbalance in the hormones has to be reset by lifestyle management, which is proper exercise, yoga, and definitely diet therapy. Nutritional therapy plays a big role in resetting your hormones and making sure your menstrual cycles are regular. So do not follow any fad diets. High fiber, high protein, low GI diet rich in antioxidants is the way to go. So try to meet a qualified dietitian so that you can reset your hormones and not depend on medicines to start your menstrual cycles. And the goal should be the correct weight management with the correct nutrition to reset your hormones. Thank you.